everyone, and welcome to the Abunai Supply webpage. Today I will be demonstrating how to create your very own custom gun wrap through our website. As you can see, there are three categories of custom gun wraps to choose from. For today's video, we will be making our own custom high kappa grip wrap. There are three different materials to choose from: regular, textured, and metallic. For today's video, we will be choosing metallic. Before starting, be sure to thoroughly read and review this disclaimer. As you can see, we have a lot of different tools at our disposal in which to create our gun wrap. On the left here, we have zoom in, zoom out, undo, redo, and reset. On the right, we have clip art, my gallery, and text. Next, we have product variations, shapes, my save designs, edit background, and collages. For starters, let's give our design a cool background. As you can see, there's a vast selection of backgrounds to choose from. Here, let's use this nice meadowy background. If we ever want to change the background, you can always just click the trash icon at the bottom left. Regarding these other three icons, firstly on the top left we have the move icon. Next is the rotate icon. Third on the bottom is our scale icon. If we want to get even more creative, click the frame templates over here. We see that there's an endless amount of possibilities when creating backgrounds for our design. But for the sake of our design, we're going to keep things simple and just use the default. What if you want to change the actual look and colors of the picture? Well, we got you covered. We have a huge list of filters for you to select, ready to go. Our background's looking a little lonely though. Let's add a character. Go. This looks like a cool character for our design. Now, let's rescale her a little bit. Okay, there we go. I think she could use a filter. So, like the backgrounds, you too can adjust the filter of the characters in your design. You know what? Now let's add one of our own pictures. So to do this, click My Gallery. Make sure to read and click Accept on the disclaimer before uploading your images. You can upload your images from your device or social media accounts. After clicking on the desired image from your device, press Confirm. Give it a few seconds, and when it's done, your image will appear. There it is. There we go. That looks better. Here, let's add another character. Here we go. Let's put her behind our custom image. We can also create our own custom design with the Shapes feature. For example, let's make a sunflower right here in the middle of the design. Believe it or not, the Shapes feature is one of the most exciting aspects of our editor, because we feature thousands of different designs and cutouts to choose from. The sky's the limit for the things you can create with this tool. For starters, let's add a star. Time to find the right star. This maybe? Nah. Oh, wait a minute. Here we go. Perfect. Now let's resize it. Okay. That looks better. Put it right here. Next, let's make it the right color. As you can see, you have a wide range of colors to choose from. There we go. That yellow stands out nicely. Now let's give it a nice little red outline. Next, time to add the center. So instead of a star, we're going to go for a circle this time. There's quite a lot to choose from, but looks like the one at the very top might be the one to go with. Oh, wait a minute. What's this? Ah, this looks even better. Time for a little resizing. Okay. Almost there. And perfect. Time to recolor this as well. Okay, let's resize everything a little bit here and get this in the real center here. Ah, there we go. Much better. Okay, now let's make it the right color to match the meadow in the background. Okay, time for some leaves. Excellent. Looks like we've just about finished our design. Let's click on the preview button and see how it turns out. There we go. That's an approximation of what it'll look like when you receive your custom wrap. If you decide you want to work on it later, make sure to click Save Design on the bottom right of the screen. Maybe you want a second opinion, or to get feedback from friends, or simply to show off what you've created, then make sure to click the share button at the bottom right of the screen. After clicking the share button, you can send your design to Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, or even email. When you feel like you're done and you're all ready to go, click Add to Cart. The final step from here is relatively straightforward. Make sure it's your design. If you have any special instructions, please let us know. And when you feel like you're ready, click checkout and we'll take you to the final screen. Thanks for watching. Please check out our other tutorial videos on our YouTube channel.